Magic Formula Manifest Anything Part 2 of our 6-part series here. Okay, this one is all about getting clear on this beautiful mental picture, this secret mental picture you have in your mind. Now, we covered in the first video knowing yourself. In this video, after you've done the exercise in video number 1, if you haven't, go back to that video. Okay, video number 2 here, you're going to want to make a clear image of the thing that you want. You're going to decide on it. So step number 1 in this video is write down one thing that you want during the 6-part series here. And that could be you want it by tonight, you want it within a week, you want it within a month. Forget about the timeline, okay? Just decide on what it is that you want. Only pick one thing. And like I mentioned in the last video, it could be a chunk of money. It could be like, I want an extra $1,000, I want an extra $500, I want an extra $10,000, okay? It could be I want a spiritual gift unexpectedly. Doesn't matter what it is. I want a new sale in my business. I want to manifest guidance and support. Okay, whatever it is for you, I want you to decide on that one thing. Don't worry, okay, because it's gonna be like I want a million things. It's okay. You'll get those things as well. You can repeat the process, but I seriously want you to get a result that you can actually see tangibly. Okay, you're gonna write that down. I now received whatever that is, and write it in the comments below. That'll help you keep you accountable. I just now received. So I just now received blank. Okay, thank you, universe. I just now received blank. Thank you, universe. In the present tense, as if you already received it. Okay, then you're going to write down 3 to 5 lines underneath of that, describing how the thing is in your life now that you have it, as if you already had it. So if I already had $1,000 extra in my bank account that I didn't expect, you're going to write down the things like, I feel relieved now that I have that money. I feel excited now that I can take 500 of that and do this with it. I am excited that I'm going to take 500 and invest it or save it. Okay, so you're going to talk about what you did with the item. If it's a free cup of coffee, just to get something into your life that you believe in and you're manifesting, it could be like the cup of coffee was hot. It was black coffee, and it had Colombian beans, coffee beans that it was made out of. Okay, so you don't have to say where it's from. You don't have to say it's from Starbucks or a local coffee shop. You just want to describe the qualities and characteristics of the thing. Okay, use your 5 senses. What does it smell like? What does it taste like? Right? What does it feel? All the other senses. And then you're going to form that image on your imagination. So you're going to actually see yourself in first person, accepting the thing that you wanted, and add in those details. So if it's a cup of coffee, you're going to actually accept it in your imagination, feel the hot cup as if it's yours. Okay, so again, feel it as if it's real life. You're going to feel it. You're going to smell the aroma of the coffee. You're going to take a sip of it. You're going to have all the different qualities, characteristics, and senses and emotions that we already wrote down in your mental image. Okay. And then video 3 is going to be the most crucial point of the 6 videos. So you're going to want to watch that one as well. That one's going to be what we do after we see the scene in mind, that we see this mental picture, okay? But this is a secret to creating mental pictures, is creating all of it with vividness, detail, emotion, because that's how you're going to hand it off to the energy or the universe or divine, whatever you call it, God, universe, whatever that thing is. That's how you hand it off to it in detailed form, all right? So this is video 2. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you're notified when video 3 comes out. Okay. Also throw a like on the video as well while you're here. Okay. I'll see you over in video number 3, and we'll go through our next part in our 6-part mini series here.